How to use open in incognito tab. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to use open in incognito tab. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Google Chrome, and here you have those sites. All you need to do is click on those, choose one of those sites and click on those 3 points. And like you see, you have those 3 points, click on them, and you have the second option, which is open in incognito tab. Click on it, and this is it. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.